travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I know that it has been a while, you guys. It's been a few weeks that I have not been on here. Just so much that was taking place at home. I've been pulling down those doubles and working like crazy. So I was not able to upload or put up a video or hardly any posts or anything like that. So it's been kind of, slowing down a little bit. The kids were out on spring break last week as well. So I really wanted to be present and spend time with them. So I really did not put up any type of content. And I do apologize for the inconsistency, but life gets in the way. And at the end of the day, my family is number one, of responsibilities for me. So I am back, and I wanted to make this video for you guys. It's kind of going to be like a vlog style video. I'm just not going to I'm going to put y'all on a tripod as I, do what I'm doing, but it's going to be a little bit more, casual and just laid back. So today I'm going to be doing like a refresh of my family room. I'm just going to be changing some things, furniture around, and kind of just giving it a refresh because I'm tired and bored of the same setup of the way that the furniture is right now. So I'm going to do like a little refresh and change the furniture around and, just get it ready for summer. It is cold out. Last week it was in the 70s and the 80s. Right now it's literally in the 30s. It is freezing, y'all. And it was snowing this morning. And we're in April, but we're gonna go ahead and get ready to just change some things around and get into this refresh. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, which I hope that you are, stick with me all the way till the end. Let's go ahead and get into this refresh. I'm outside and it's cold, so I'm gonna show you guys really fast. But before we do, I kind of want to show y'all my new patio setup. I took the patio set from the backyard and I put it on the front, and it looks amazing, you guys. I haven't put any plants yet because we're still in like that frost area, with the cold and snow and stuff like that. So I didn't put any plants yet. I still have to put a wreath up, but I didn't put any plants yet because I don't want to buy plants and then they freeze and die, and I have to go ahead and repurchase them. So but anyway, it's freezing out here and I don't want to get sick, so I'm gonna turn you guys around and show y'all what my front porch is looking like so far. We'll do an update very soon when it gets warmer. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. I took everything from the back, and of course don't look at the pillows because I gotta redo everything. This is the rug. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful and comfortable out here. We've literally just been sitting out here and just enjoying the warm weather, the little warm weather that we got last week. You can hear it in my voice, I'm trembling. So let's go inside. Whew, it is cold out there, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. But let's go ahead and get into this refresh, you guys. My living room, like I said, is just a little bit boring right now to me. I love the layout of it and I love the way that it looks, but I just want to change it up. It's been like this for like an entire year. And sometimes I like to change it up because I like to sweep and vacuum underneath the couch and, get all the things out from underneath the couch and stuff like that. So I'm going to open up the curtains. I haven't opened up the curtains yet because I got home from work and I literally laid in the couch, took a little nap because I was super tired. So here we go. I just want to give you guys like a pan of what it looks like now and then take you into all of the things. So let's do that right now. So this is what it's looking like now. If you guys remembered, I do have my fireplace on because like I said, it's cold. But this is what it's looking like right now. And I'm hoping that I can get this done in an hour and a half because that's all the time that I do have before I have to go and get my kids from school. But this is what it looks like. And this area is going to stay this way because of the daycare. And I'm also going to leave my blanket cabinet the same way. We have so much stuff. My husband have all of his computer gadgets and things like that on top of there. So we're going to clean that up. My blinds are broken because Nyla just went to town. I got to get some new blinds. So don't pay any attention to those blinds. I'm probably just going to rip them down. But let's go ahead, y'all. Enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this refresh.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the
And y'all, this is why I move up my furniture so much. Because this is why. I mean, it's as if my kids just eat and throw their food, throw everything on under the couch or on the floor. I don't know. Because I know that I swept behind here and mopped behind here a few times. And it's just, this is what it's always like. Every season or every few weeks, popsicle sticks, a Sprite bottle, you know, twirly bobos, the broken blinds, socks. I mean, you name it, it's under my couch. So let's clean this up.
Somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run
So guys, this is all the dirt that came up from under my couches and under my tables in the living room and everything. This is why I do what I do every season, or, you know, ever so often as needed, because this is it, y'all. And you never know. It's like you have allergies and, you know, besides the outside elements, but you have allergies or you have a cold or your sinus is bothering you or you just whatever. You don't know why. This is why, y'all, because it's just unseen dirt, okay? And I promise you, people always say to me, girl, you always cleaning a clean house. Your house is never clean, never dirty. It's always looking clean. My house, nobody's house is 100% clean, you guys. I promise you. I have 3 kids, okay? I just take care of my house as best as I can and clean as best as I can. My kids have chores and everything, but it still doesn't negate the fact that I have 3 children, and sometimes this is what happens with all the things, okay? And also with the feathers from the pillows and everything. So this is all the dirt, you guys, that I got up from my living room, and it is absolutely disgusting. I really can't wait until I get my new vacuum so that I can suck up. I'm pretty sure there's some more in the rugs, and I really need to shampoo my rugs, but this is pretty disgusting. Okay guys, so today I am actually collaborating with Tailored Canvases again. I love their products so much. Tailored Canvases has so many great products, and I absolutely fell in love with this particular one because it's always good to be home. They have such high quality materials, and it's definitely adding personalized touches to any space. It is so versatile and it can literally fit into any space or home decor style, whether it's modern or boho or farmhouse or rustic, etc., etc. It adds warmth and personality to any space. Tailored Canvases has the most amazing customer service. I absolutely love working with them. Their customization options makes it so unique to create and personalize any piece that you choose. I would love for you guys to definitely go ahead and check out their website. I will have all the links down below, their website information down below in the description box, where you can go and you know, explore the plethora of personalized and custom wall art products that they do have on there. You guys are going to absolutely love them. I worked with them on Christmas for I had like a Christmas sign over my mantle, and I absolutely love it. So definitely go ahead and check them out. You will not be disappointed, and you will not regret any purchase that you have made. I want to thank Tailored Canvases for partnering with me today, and let's go ahead and get back into the video. Okay guys, y'all see my tripod right there? I actually moved some things up from the dining room into the living room. My bookshelf, my china cabinet, I put it in the living room as like a bookshelf. Let me show you guys what I did to the dining room first. So I put this side table here in here, and obviously I just put it there. I got to do some work in this dining room, but I moved the white china cabinet. I moved it here over on this wall, and I like it. I think it looks really nice, and it's also more roomier than before than with the black china cabinet. I think that because of the black wall, too much black, it just was kind of, you know, making it a little bit dark for me. And I don't know, I'm thinking that I'm going to repaint this focal wall and just kind of brighten it up. Like I said, I change things very often in my home, and though I do love the black, I think the black is beautiful, but I do think that I am going to go a little bit more earthy, more earth tone in the dining room. Bring like maybe a tannish coffee color, you know, like a coffee cream color and put it on this wall back here. And then I do have a wooden table that is coming with new chairs and a brand new rug. So I feel like the vibes that I'm going for in this room is a little bit more natural and earth tone type, you know, feel, very earthy. So I feel like this wall with the white, it looks very, very nice. So I like it. But let's go into the family room because that's where I did all the changes. So I'm really loving the way that this living room looks, you guys. It's so comfy and cozy to me. And as the summertime comes, I am going to make it a little bit more minimal, not too many decorations and florals and things like that, just simple decor and design. But I think for now it's so cozy and so spring, you know, spring-like. So here it is.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up, I somehow made it through.
So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and definitely don't forget to check out the wall art, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am so loving it. I love the way that it looks on my wall. I use them for Christmas as well, and I'm just in love with it. So all the information will be down in the description box below. And yeah, definitely head on over to their website and cop your wall art. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Much more.